Hey there, parents and parents-to-be. We're thrilled to have you back on our channel for a deep dive into the top 5 baby nests reviews of 2023. If you're looking for the perfect solution to keep your little one cozy, secure, and well-rested, you've come to the right place. We've rigorously tested and reviewed the best baby nests on the market, and we're excited to share our findings with you. Direct links to these nurturing havens for your baby are waiting for you in the video description. And if you're excited about providing your baby with the ultimate comfort, don't forget to show your love by hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the notification bell. Let's make sure your baby sleeps like an angel. Now, let's explore the top 5 baby nests of 2023. Starting at number 5, Baby Children's Bed Bases and Frames. The Deluxe Nursery Center in the Tanzania fashion is a versatile and gender-neutral solution for parents on the move. This playard from Baby Trend is filled with features to keep your baby entertained and secure. It comes with a removable full bassinet, a mobile featuring 3 plush toys, and a convenient diaper stacker for all your baby's essentials. The playard's one-hand locking mechanism makes setup a breeze, while the 2 large wheels with brakes provide mobility and stability. Its lightweight and portable design, along with the included travel tote bag, makes it easy to take on trips to the park or beach. Safety is a top priority, and the playard is designed for children up to 35 inches tall and weighing less than 30 lbs. The Bassinet/changing table is suitable for infants up to 15 pounds and up to 25 tall. This versatile and convenient deluxe nursery center is perfect for parents who want an easily transportable and engaging space for their baby while tackling daily tasks. At number 4, Charlie Crane Kumi Mesh Bassinet. Charlie Crane's Kumi Mesh Bassinet is an exquisite cradle designed with both tradition and modernity in mind. It provides a cozy and safe place for your baby during their early months. This bassinet retains the time-honored lateral swing motion, a gentle movement that helps babies fall asleep while sporting a minimalist and contemporary design. During assembly, parents tie the cords themselves, a gesture that adds a personal touch to constructing the baby's nest. The Kumi is available in various colors of laces, and it comes with a mattress included, with options for mattress protectors and fitted sheets. This bassinet adheres to safety standards and is compliant with European Standard EN 1130/2019. It offers a breathable and easily cleaned fabric, with parts that are detachable and machine washable. Charlie Crane's Kumi Mesh Bassinet is ideal for parents who appreciate both aesthetics and safety, providing a reassuring cocoon for your baby. At number 3, Inflatable Car Rear Folding Crib. The Inflatable Car Rear Folding Crib is a brilliant solution for parents on the go who want to ensure their child's safety and comfort while traveling. It serves as an alternative to traditional bulky bed guards, providing a protective barrier to prevent your child from rolling off the car seat. This crib is lightweight, compact, and portable, folding down to a small and convenient size. The mattress surface is soft and comfortable, made of flocking material, while the back is thickened PVC, offering durability and easy maintenance. It comes with an electric pump, allowing quick inflation or deflation in just 2 minutes. One of the standout features is its practicality. You can easily attach it to the car seat, ensuring a secure sleeping space for your child. Additionally, it prevents the child from falling into the footwell or getting wedged between seats, making it a safety-conscious choice. For parents who frequently travel by car and want to ensure their child's comfort and safety during the journey, the Inflatable Car Rear Folding Crib is a must-have. At number 2, Halo Bassinest Swivel Sleeper 3.0. The Halo Bassinest Swivel Sleeper 3.0 is a game-changer for parents who want to keep their baby close both day and night. From Halo, a trusted safe sleep brand, this 2-in-1 system easily converts from a bedside sleeper to a portable nest for use around the house. It provides a seamless way to be near your baby day and night, ensuring convenience and safety. This sleeper features Halo's signature swivel design, allowing it to move close to your bed. Its easy lowering wall and breathable mesh walls ensure your baby's comfort and safety. The Bassinest 3.0 also comes with a sleeker and lighter base that maintains its sturdiness. To enhance comfort and peace of mind, you can pair the sleep space with a compatible Halo Dream Weave Pad. It comes with a polyester sheet and pad, with additional cotton sheets available for purchase. Safety is a priority, as the Bassinest is JPMA certified and independently tested to meet and exceed all U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission safety standards. For parents who want a versatile and safe solution for sleeping and relaxing with their baby, the Halo Bassinest Swivel Sleeper 3.0 is an excellent choice. At number 1, Skip Hop Playful Retreat Baby Nest. Skip Hop's Playful Retreat Baby Nest is a versatile and comfortable solution for both infants and babies up to 9 months old. This baby nest adapts to your child's age, providing 2 stages of use. In Stage 1, it features a breathable cushioned insert that offers a cozy spot for your infant. In Stage 2, you can easily remove the cushioned insert to accommodate older babies. This baby nest comes equipped with a detachable toy arch and a charming shooting star soft toy, which engages your little one during supervised playtime. Additionally, it includes a carrying case, making it great for travel and visits to family and friends. Safety is a top priority, as this nest is not intended for sleeping, napping, or co-sleeping. It should always be placed on flat, firm, and stable surfaces, not on a bed or elevated surface. No item should be placed inside the nest with the baby. For parents looking for a portable and adaptable play area for their young ones, the Skip Hop Playful Retreat Baby Nest is a great choice. Thank you for watching our product review video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.